Introducing the highly anticipated updated 2021 Coachman Acadia 575 4-berth single-axle model. Featuring a retractable transverse island bed with a full-width end washroom, which is fully loaded with shower, floating sink and a chrome heated towel rail. The lounge has a new, taller and longer contoured front chest of drawers with an extending tabletop mechanism. The kitchen includes the new Dometic 92-litre electronic fridge freezer with a Thetford Dual Fuel hob and positive catches to all the main kitchen drawers. The audio and entertainment within the caravan has a new Pioneer stereo designed to work seamlessly with Apple and Android devices. For added safety, it comes with an AL-KO AKS 3004 hitch head stabiliser and now includes AL-KO ATC as standard. And for the first time ever, new and exclusive AL-KO automatic adjustment AAA premium brakes. Now available from Glossop Caravans. And remember, we won't be beaten on price.